It's an old two-story rock house that's sitting up on a hill. I think you have to turn on that road back there, but I'm not real sure.
Yeah, maybe I seen something like that up that way. Well, now look, you boys don't want to go mess around no old house. Those things is dangerous. You're liable to get hurt.
We'll be careful.
You don't want to go fooling around other folks' property. Some folks don't like it. They don't mind